Hello, Adam. It's your brother, and it is Tuesday, February 26, 2013. Yesterday, you called me to give me some of the best news that I've heard in a very long time, but it is not my news, it is your news, so I'm not going to share that here. If you want to do so, that is at your discretion, not mine. I would like to point out that I think it's a little odd that we now have a Harlem Shake dance video on our YouTube channel. Never thought I'd see the day, but I thought it was really cool. Was that the Benedict's basement? I think that you guys went down there and did that. Honestly, I can't even tell if you were in the video because it was hard to make out individuals, kind of dimly lit. But so we do viral things, I guess, and we were like the opposite of viral. But yeah, I thought that was cool that you guys did that. Okay, so what did I say? Not gonna share your news. Harlem Shake. Okay, so today I want to talk about the idea of the seeming dichotomy between morning people and night people. Because for a very long time, I thought I was a night person. I thought that I was like best at night. Like I got all my work done at night. Like I'll just stay up late and do it because I can stay up all through the night because I'm a night person. And then I got here and I realized, oh, actually, I hate doing things at night, and I would rather not do them at night because at night, like my productivity goes like it shoots like okay, well I have like zero productivity when I'm asleep, but like immediately when I get up, it shoots up and it stays high until like it drops down right before lunch, and then it goes back up a little bit. Unless if I take a nap right after lunch, and then it's zero again. But like it gradually slopes down throughout the day, and then once I get to night, where most night people would say, yeah, this is when I do my work, that is when I no longer function as a like productive student, because I'm a student right now. So I thought, oh, I must be like a morning person. So like because I actually enjoy waking up early in the morning and doing my homework, which might seem weird to some people, but that is how I'm most productive. Is I go to sleep and I wake up at like 4 in the morning to do homework. And some would argue, oh, 4 in the morning is just really late at night, and that's not the morning. You're wrong, because it is the morning, and I stay up through doing my homework, and then I get ready and I go to breakfast, and then I go to classes throughout the day, and like that makes my day better when I wake up very early. So, like, oh, I must be a morning. I'm gonna say, I'm not sure if there's actually a difference in this case between calling myself a night person and calling myself a morning person. Because although I prefer to stay up late, I do better when I get up early. So what I'm questioning here is whether being a night person means you like to be up late at night, or whether you're better off when you're up late at night. And I challenge you to come up with an answer to that question because it certainly perplexed me. I have no idea what I am as far as those terms goes, but I do know that I like getting up early, which might sound weird because most of these videos are posted close to midnight for me, which is kind of late to stay up if you're going to get up early. But I am also a fan of the siesta, the afternoon nap. I don't get an afternoon nap very often, or when I do, it's kind of like a 4 o'clock afternoon. 4 o'clock afternoon nap is what I'm trying to say. Okay, like those really help me out on days when I need more sleep, but I hate myself when I do that. Like, there's people, and I think you're one of them, who, if they sleep in really late on the weekends, they hate themselves because they feel like they wasted the weekend because I slept in late. I feel like that when I take a siesta. I feel like, oh man, I just wasted 2 hours of my afternoon taking a nap. What am I doing? Or an hour and a half, because usually it's like an hour and a half, not a full 2 hours. So I'm now talking about productivity cycles and sleep cycles and stuff, which I never thought I would be. But I will say, I got this book from our library, and our library is terrible, but I got this book from our library, and this is, spoiler alert, this is what my next video is going to be on. It's called The Physics of Traffic, and it's pretty thick, so I'm not going to really you know, do one video over the whole book. It's also very technical. I've been flipping through it, and unless if you really understand statistics, it's kind of dense, but I'm going to try to put it in more human terms because it's actually a very interesting book. So that'll be my next video. My next video will be a Saturday, and on that same Saturday, I have a room inspection in the morning. So don't expect great things, but expect this. And expect for me to say once again, congratulations on your news, Adam. I'm very excited for you, and I think you deserve to hear the reactions of most of the people I told about the news. It was half were, I'm very excited for you. Half were, why didn't you convince him not to do what he's doing? But it's all good. There's no reason to convince you not to do what you're doing, as long as you believe it's the right thing to do. So, with that, I will leave you with a good old-fashioned, I will see you on the evens, and I will see you on the evens, and that even will be in 4 days, and it will be March, and it will be glorious. Bye.